Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2008 Chevy Equinox and I will show you how to reset change engine oil soon message and how to set the oil life to 100%. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2005 all the way up to 2009. Now, to reset the oil life, you will be using these menu buttons right here. So you will keep pressing this small car button until you reach the engine oil life. So I will show you here. So just keep pressing it until you reach the oil life. And it's right here, mine is at 0%. So I just did the oil change on this car, and now to reset it and set it to 100%, what you want to do, you want to press and hold this checkmark button right here. You'll have to hold it maybe for 5 seconds and your oil life will be set at 100%. And that's pretty much it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.